Peace, 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 fam. You know, this boy A right here. This is my grandson right here. I'm gonna show him and teach him the four quadrants, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Gonna show you the four quadrants also. The four quadrants. I got we got another fellow man want to hear the four quadrants, right? The four quadrants. Okay, we call this the four quadrants. The first quadrant is the north side, guys. The second side is the south side. The third side is the east side. And the fourth side is the west side. And what that means, guys, the four quadrants. Four quadrants. We call that the four income streams that you can make, guys. Okay, the first quadrant is the north. You work at a business or you work at a JOB. You work 40 hours a week. You give them, you slave your time for freedom, right? All right. Let's say that's the north side of the quadrant, right? Now the south side of the quadrant is self-employed. I do that a lot myself for the last 10, 15 years. I've been self-employed, right? You know, own a janitorial business, right? But I still, you know what I'm saying, you know, my time for my freedom. I slave my time for my freedom, right? Now, you got the other side of the quadrant is the east side, right? Now, that's like Warren Buffett, right? Or Bill Gates or Steve Jobs, that they make money from big companies. When you have 500 employees or more, you don't gotta be the hardest worker no more. You got employees to do the hard work for you, right? And then you got the west side, guys, and I call that as an investor, guys. If you own a Forex business and you're making 10K to 20K every month from the Forex game, Bitcoins, trading stock with Walmart, AT&T, and them natures, guys. Now this is the four quadrant. Now you gotta understand, guys, and young man, what quadrants you want to face. See, I choose more the Warren Buffett side, the investor, and I also choose the business person that have 500 employees or more, guys. So, quick little video for this Labor Day with your boy A. Peace, love, always. Y'all want to say something? You want to say peace? Peace, peace? All right. Peace. Ah.